This video was brought to you by Tech Affiliates. Ever wondered what the difference is between a Layer 2 MAC address table and a Layer 3 routing table? Well, you're about to find out. In the world of networking, everything is organized into layers. Each layer has a specific role to play to ensure smooth communication between devices. On Layer 2 of this model, we find the MAC, or Media Access Control, address table. This table keeps track of all the devices on a local network, storing their unique MAC addresses and corresponding port numbers. It's like a receptionist, keeping tabs on everyone in the building. Now shift your focus to Layer 3, where the routing table resides. This table is like the post office of the network, directing data packets to their correct destinations based on IP addresses. It's the navigation system that ensures your data doesn't get lost in transit. Now let's dive deeper into these two elements and how they differ. So, what sets apart a MAC address table from a routing table, you may ask? Well, let's dive in and find out. A MAC address table, or Media Access Control Address Table, operates at the second layer of the OSI model, the data link layer. It's like the telephone directory of your local network. It keeps track of all the devices connected to your network and their corresponding MAC addresses. When a data packet arrives, the MAC address table checks the destination MAC address and directs the packet to the right device within the same network. On the other hand, a routing table operates at the third layer, the network layer. Think of it as a map for your data packets. It doesn't care about individual devices in a network. Instead, it's all about finding the best path for a packet to get from one network to another. It looks at the destination IP address and decides which router or gateway the packet should be sent to reach its destination network. So in essence, while the MAC address table is concerned with delivering packets within the same network, the routing table is responsible for directing packets to different networks. They are two sides of the same coin, both crucial in ensuring that your data packets find their way to the correct destination. In other words, MAC address table is all about local delivery, while routing table is your go-to for inter-network communication. But wait, there's more to it. Have you heard about switching in ARP tables? Switching is a term that's used to describe the process of directing network traffic in both Layer 2 and Layer 3 of the OSI model. However, there's a key difference. In Layer 2, switching is based on Media Access Control, or MAC addresses. These are unique identifiers assigned to each network interface. On the other hand, Layer 3 switching, often referred to as routing, is primarily based on IP addresses. These are the addresses of devices on a network, akin to your home address in the real world. Now let's talk about ARP tables. ARP stands for Address Resolution Protocol. It's like a translator. When a device has an IP address and wants to send data, but only knows the recipient's MAC address, it uses the ARP table. This table stores a mapping of MAC addresses to their corresponding IP addresses. So, an ARP table essentially serves as a bridge between your MAC and IP addresses. So to wrap things up, let's summarize what we've learned today. We've explored the contrast between a Layer 2 Media Access Control Address table and a Layer 3 routing table. We've delved into the concept of switching, distinguishing how routers and switches operate on different layers. And finally, we've shed light on the purpose of an ARP table in network communications. And there you have it, a crash course in networking tables and switching. Until next time, keep exploring and stay curious.